Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering SSS, TIN, business permits, and an authorized representative to avoid delays. Once done, open the Philhealth employer portal and choose the correct employer type so the system maps required fields. Make sure the representative's company email is active for verification. Enter company basic details precisely to prevent later rejection. Small mismatches in names or numbers are the most common cause of holdups. This first step gets the account framework in place and primes you for document upload. Now you upload required documents and complete the employer profile because accurate records speed approval. Once files are attached, follow the portal validation prompts and correct any red errors immediately. They indicate missing or mismatched information. Make sure file names are clear and sizes meet limits to avoid upload failures. After submission, you'll receive an on-screen reference number and an email confirmation. Save both. This stage connects your legal documents to the account and triggers back-end verification by Philhealth staff. Finish by monitoring your email and portal for the approval notice and assigned employer number. Processing can take several business days depending on workload. If your application is rejected, view the rejection reasons using the reference number and resubmit corrected documents promptly. Make sure to address the exact discrepancy noted. Don't guess. If problems persist, contact Philhealth Employer Support, provide the reference number and screenshots, and ask for escalation. This ensures you complete registration and can start remitting contributions without.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.